If x.com or Twitter links are not working for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This is a really common issue, and it can happen because of browser extensions, cached site data, cookie conflicts, or even DNS problems on your computer. So if you've clicked a link and nothing happens, it keeps redirecting, or Twitter just refuses to load properly. Stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is test the link in an incognito or private window. This is one of the fastest ways to figure out whether the problem is caused by your browser settings, cookies, or an extension. If you're using Chrome or Edge on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. That will open a private browsing window. Now go to x.com or Twitter, sign in if needed, and try opening the link again. If it works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that the issue is coming from your normal browser session, not the link itself. In that case, the next steps will usually fix it permanently. Next, clear the specific site data and cache for x.com. Sometimes the browser stores old cookies or cached files that interfere with Twitter's redirects. If the site keeps freezing, looping, or failing to open t.co links, this step is very important. In Chrome or Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then look for third-party cookies or site settings. Next, choose See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search box, type x.com. When it appears, click the trash icon or remove button to delete the stored data. Once that's done, refresh your browser and log back into your account. This clears out old site information and often fixes broken links right away. Now, if the problem is still happening, the next thing to try is disabling browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and even some security extensions can interfere with Twitter's link shortener and prevent redirects from loading correctly. To check this, open your browser's Extensions menu. In many browsers, you can also click the puzzle piece icon near the address bar. Turn off any ad blocker or privacy extension, then reload Twitter and click the link again. If the link starts working after disabling one of those extensions, you've found the cause. You can then keep that extension off for Twitter, or create an exception so it doesn't block x.com or t.co links in the future. This is a simple fix, but it solves the issue for a lot of people. If none of that works, the issue may be related to your computer's DNS cache. DNS is basically what helps your device find the correct address for websites, and if it gets corrupted or outdated, some links may fail to open properly. On Windows, search for CMD in the Start menu, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. A black window will open. Type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a message confirming the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, go back to Twitter and try the link again. This can help if your computer was having trouble resolving the domain behind the link. At this point, one of those fixes should solve the issue. If the link works in private browsing, clear the x.com site data. If that doesn't help, disable your extensions, and if the problem still continues, flush the DNS cache and test again. Usually, one of these steps will get Twitter links working normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know what tutorials you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.